All right. We're live. Heard myself there. Let's go. Wowzers. Man. Well, if you guys ever hit that like button, dude, let's blow it up, baby. It's free to like. Don't make me say it 100 fucking times. Look at this move. So it's such a joke sometimes. Such a joke. We literally, it's like, well, how? Why? Look how beautiful this move was. This breakdown out of this triangle microphone, whatever you want to call it. Just breaking straight down there to this pivot point, through the 50s, down there to the 860s. 100 points. I mean, look at it. You just look at it. Such a joke. Why can't we get a nice move like that when the market opens? Give me that just nice. No. No. It can't happen like that. So from about 6 a.m. until 9:15 this morning, the market just straight down. It's a joke. It is literally a joke sometimes. We broke below the VWAP there and we just The 3-minute chart had a set up there as well. So whatever. It is what it is. The market's getting ready to open here in the next 10 minutes or so. And we are live on YouTube. We're back. It was pretty funny. I found this thread on a forum. All these people sitting around basically talking about the fact that they're like, I just don't understand why Patrick Wieland live streams every day for 2 hours. Like, how does he have the energy to do that? We are not the same. We are built different, people. I am a fucking winner. You're writing about me on a message board. You're a fucking loser. That is the difference. If you have to wonder how I do it, it's because I am a man. I am the fucking number one. I am him. I am him. You are nobody. That is the question. That is the answer. You want to know how I do it? It's because I fucking win. Wow. It's like people are just so confused. Like, why does he do it? But why? How? How does he have the energy to do it? I mean, I used to work construction and I have to go to work construction for 8 hours a day. That takes a lot more energy than fucking live streaming for 2 hours. Like, go work construction for 8 hours a day. Guess what? You'll fucking sign up to live stream real quick. You know what I mean? I mean, you get to work real quick. If I can work 2 hours a day for the rest of my life and make the millions of dollars that I make, I will keep on fucking doing it. No problem. Fucking drinking coffee, work out. Let's go. Woke up this morning, fucking got in a pump chest day, went for a 4-mile run, came back, got ready for the live stream. Let's go. All right. Phew. So right now, sitting here at this pivot point, we got a pivot point there at the 858s on the NASDAQ. We've got this low from yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. This low there at the 69s. We bounced twice. We are currently below that. And then we got this low from the Monday pre-market down there at the 24s that we bounced off of at open yesterday. So got the VWAP up there at the 42s. Obviously, we got a gap fill. We closed, well, actually closed yesterday. Where did we close at? Did we close up here at the 85s yesterday? Yeah, we closed at the 85s yesterday. So we closed up here at the 85. So there is this gap fill potential. Back to the upside. We got the VWAP there at the 39s. We got some numbers today as well. We got Jolt's job opening numbers at 10 a.m. Those will be a big number. 3 stars, party, drink Bacardi. So keep an eye on that. 10 a.m. numbers. We got no one speaking today at least. We'll see how this plays on the book map right now. Terms of liquidity, that 700 order still, look at that 14,700 order still down there. That was down there yesterday. I think it's just literally has not gone away. Look at that. Kind of funny. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's literally just been there since yesterday. So 14,700 is still down there for days now. Someone's trying to get filled down there. 200 contracts, 280 contracts sitting down there. Somebody wants to buy the dip at the 14,700s, or maybe it's a short trying to get covered down there. We'll find out. Right now, nothing out of the ordinary. On the ES, you got a bunch of liquidity down there at the 290s on the ES. And liquidity up there above 300, 310, 312 area right now on the ES. So going into open here, we'll see how this plays out. We got about 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Let's do the favorite part of the day. Everybody loves this part. Let's do the poll. Up or down at open. The poll, the poll. This is probably the best part of the live stream now. Everyone just comes to see the poll. Sees the poll. Right now, bouncing off that pivot point there at the 858s currently on the 15-minute chart. We got the VWAP all the way up there at the 943s. We got a lot of, I wouldn't say support, but we definitely bounced off of these levels yesterday. So let's see what happens here. We had that a lot of just crappy action. We had that big sell-off after ripping up there above the 15,000s. And yeah, we're kind of just in this range right now. I mean, pretty much in that range there. Looking a little bouncy here. What do we got? All right. Right now, 68% voting to go up. That's going to change, right? There's no way that 68% of you think we're going to go up here. 69%. Oh my God. We're going up. Guaranteed. 100%. Obviously not financial advice, but looks like the poll right now, unanimous. That's a normally the poll is a little more, you know, half and half, but that's a pretty strong vote right there for the Bulls. You guys woke up bullish today, and everybody's a little bullish today. We'll see how she plays out. Let's see. Where are we at right now? 66%. That's a pretty alarming amount of bulls here this morning. I don't want to jinx it, but you know, that's a little yeah. All right, we'll find out here. We still got 3 minutes here. 3 minutes, 67%, 600, almost 700 votes. Everybody very fucking bullish. Wow. I don't want to go against you guys, but I feel like it's just, I got to go short at open now. I got to get short here at open now. Oh man. All right, VWAP up there at the 944s right now, kind of pushing back up here. That pivot point there at the 868s. Fade the poll. I don't know. We'll find out. How is it that 67% of you are bullish right now? That's not a good sign. That is not a good sign. How y'all so bullish? It's going up. Is this the double bottom, quadruple bottom, bloppy whoppy? Chop until the jolts job numbers. I'm gonna have to agree with that idea. That's probably a pretty good synopsis here. You never know. A lot of A lot of people, a lot of price action, a lot of price prediction in the chat today. Somebody said that the S&P goes below 250. That's a 50-point drop from where we're at right now. A pretty strong price prediction. Adam Big by God. We'll see if he's right later on. Put it on the board. I need to start keeping track. We got to start keeping track of all this. All these calls. Everybody in the chat always calling out levels. Keep a scoreboard. We need a scoreboard. We need to hire someone to keep track. UCLA, Patrick, listen to me. ES will go to 4,312. Okay, here we go. Market is open. Will the Bulls win? VWAP up there at the 940s, currently straight up here. If we push through the 900s there, we might go to the VWAP next. So let's see. Up there through the 900s now. VWAP all the way up there at the 42s. Stuck there at the 900s for now. Liquidity looking pretty good. They're trying to squeeze it. Is there enough power to get through this 900 level though? Trouble. Trouble. Pulling right back down here now. Big old denial there. Three-minute candle, got about 40 seconds here. If we're gonna run that straight back up to the 900s again. Through the 900s there. I'm gonna try this dip right here. See if we push up quickly through this. Through that 905 quickly. Gotta go, go, go. Up there, the 905s. Looking for a push up 910s or higher. Stop right above break even now. Looking for that push straight up there. To the 10s or higher. Little trouble pulling back there. Might get stopped out. Come on. She wants to rock it. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. We'll take it off right there. I don't like that fucking getting denied. It should have went right through the 10s there. So I'm going to lock that down for an easy. Got long there. That push up quick and easy. I think she still got power to go, but I will take $5,000 anytime. You give me $5,000, I'll take the fucking profit, boys. Let's go. I got a pretty bad, I tried to get filled there at the 85, did not get filled, and had to kind of chase it above the 90s, but you see that bounce right here off this 70. It was nice there on the 3-minute chart. We got right back up there, kind of closed at the high. Took profit there at the 9-10 push. Was worried we weren't going to break through there. Patrick Wieland thought I was going short. When did I say I was going short? Don't ever think about what I'm gonna do. You just worry about you, James. You just worry about what you gonna do. How about that? I'll do me, you do you, baby. Don't you worry about me, little buddy. I'm gonna make the money. All right, so we're still stuck here, 9-10s. The ES stuck there at the 05 level, 06 is. Possibly pull back here again, unless they just squeeze right up there. I think I took profit where I took it. Are you selling or are you buying? Is that a real question? I said I took profit. Why do y'all ask? Why do people ask the stupidest questions? Are you selling or are you buying? Are you buying or are you selling? If the price is going up and I'm getting long, I'm buying and I'm selling. I showed the exact trade and people will still be like, but I don't understand. What did you do? And people wonder why day traders lose money. You guys can get a pretty good idea of why day traders lose just by reading the chat sometimes. He wants to go higher here, so let's go, baby. Take it up there through the 1520s next. Again, up there to the 11s, that 1520 area and on the book map, wanting to get broke. Get that broke through the 20s. Bulls trying to go through there. Needs to push. Market just chopping here, waiting for those jolts, job numbers now. There's that 15 push right here, right now. 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 Oh, God. Got to go 15s up there to the 20. It'll go 15, but go to the 20s. Sweet. Stuck there again. I think they're about to explode it. They're about to explode it, boys. Taking out that 15 liquidity right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. Oh! Look at him tapping, tapping, tapping 15s. Trying to go. Trying to go. Whee! Right up there to the 20s, just like we said. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you not impressed? Up there to the 25s now. Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? Oh, man. I have fun. We have fun doing this, by the way, everybody out there watching. Just having some fun. It's good times around here. We enjoy ourselves. Good times, good times. Nice little squeeze up there to the 25s. Like I said, through the 15s, looking for that push up there through the 20s, and that's exactly what we got. Thank you, thank you. We got jolts job numbers here in 20 sec. 20 minutes, sorry, 20 minutes. The VWAP 40s there. Can we go all the way to the VWAP is the question. On this push up, that would be kind of a spot to go there. I think after the jolts numbers, we go to the VWAP there next. So we pushed up there to a high of 25 currently, pulling back here. Patience, like always. Now you can just kind of draw your lines there, a little pullback, little bullish pullback to pull back into that previous area of resistance there at the 900s and push it right back up. Kind of look for a flag here. We can start going through that 20 level again. We should try to go to the VWAP next. Trying to push, go to the 1 minute chart here. Got to get through 20s and then 25s right up there to the VWAP 38, 37 level. They're buying up these dips. Dollar's pulling back. The ES having trouble. The NASDAQ trying to squeeze through here at the 20s again. Dollar dumping. NASDAQ needs to break out right there. Kind of hold that 900 level and then rip up there to the 40s next. The ES trying to push up there as well. I think she's gonna go, boys. I think she's gonna go. VWAP target there. Looking for this VWAP push at the 40s. All right, we're getting tight through the 20s. Be looking for that VWAP push. Need to hold 900s here and then squeeze. Get the squeeze. Squeeze it. $20 will be that key level to get through and then try to push up there. Got a pivot point all the way up there at the 52s as well. 52 VWAP up there. 52 pivot point. Trouble right now not holding that 900 level, so row. Now we need to hold 88s. The great thing about it is all we had to do was wait for that 20 break there, so we got those jolts job numbers coming out in 18 minutes now. Nice little bounce back up there. Watching for this 20 break. Still just stuck below that trend line there. Get through the 20s and then try to push up there towards the VWAP, this little white line there, 35s or 40s. Dollar still pulling back. NASDAQ needs to kind of bounce here. Kind of like that. Ayo and the yayo. Kind of like that right there, boys. Let's go. Push it all the way up there to the VWAP. Take it all the way through the 25s there. Will you take me higher? Oh. Trouble there at the 25, that double top right there. Wraps. UCLA, you told me 4,312. We haven't gotten there yet, bro. You lied. We got 15 minutes till those numbers come out. Expecting some choppy action here. But still, if we could just get through that high on that candle 24.50, the high there 25.50. A little fake out for that breakout there. Fake out for the breakout. Still holding up there, 15s area. She's holding here. I think she wants it. Got to get above that 15 level here quickly. Break out of this trend on the 3-minute chart. 15-minute candle. Trying to push up there. You can see here on the 15-minute chart, kind of that wick there on that last candle holding us down right now. We need to get through that and then up there through the 30s. Pivot point at the 52s. Again, pulling back here into the 90s. Numbers in 13 minutes. Wait for the numbers, play the roulette table. Which one are you gonna do? Play. We're holding there at the 14 EMA on the 2-minute chart right now. Also on the on the 2-minute chart, 14 EMA holding for now, but dollar starting to try to push back up here. Both the ES and NASDAQ, I think this is going to be in holding pattern until those JOLTS job opening numbers. Whoa! Look, Somebody said it looked dumpy. Well, it's still looking a little squeezy here, boys. Nice little bounce back off of this level there on the 3-minute chart, holding that low there and squeezing right back up there. Have I used the trading view with Topstep? I have not. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. The chat. The chat. The people in the chat. I want to screenshot the people in the chat. Mike Buck, it looks exhausted. Cone Killer, looks dumpy. Okay, guys, good job. Good calls. Good work. Good work, everybody. And there we go, to the VWAP, up there to the 40s now. James Rice, I don't see a position. It's at your mom's house. Call her and ask her. Woo! What a squeezy McSqueezerson there. And the pivot point up there next, 52s. Do I believe in my intuition? No, clearly don't. I just go on YouTube and hope to be right every day. I just hope and pray. A lot of praying, a lot of hoping. A lot of praying and a lot of fucking hoping to get where I'm at, baby. $490 likes. People will be making fucking thousands. You only got 490 likes here. Look at that move. Right up there to the pivot point. Congratulations to all the believers out there that believed in me. I'm here for you. We do it together. Up there to the 55s, 56s. But crickets, what happened to the people that said it looked dumpy? Where'd they go? Where did they go? Where did those guys go? Where did they go? Come back. Crickets. Hey, at least when I like make a call, I have to live with it. You know, I gotta be like, yeah, I was wrong. But the people in the chat that like just comment under fake names, you know, talking shit, like they're just like they just disappear afterwards. They just disappear afterwards. All right, we got job numbers here in 8 minutes. Definitely waiting for those numbers now. Nice little squeeze up there to that pivot point on the dot. The breakout through the VWAP. Beautiful move here. Let's go. It's rocking. We're rolling. 3-minute chart. Pivot point in play. The next level, 15,000's up there. Then you got the overnight high up there, 22. You got yesterday's high up there at the 44s. So Jose's up $1,200. Let's go. Let's go. Jose, no way, Jose. You like that? No way, Jose. Tanja trades. Tanja trades. Everybody in the chat, tell Tanja trades she should go out with me. You know, we should just start dating, be the #1 YouTube couple. Patrick Wieland, Tanja trades, #1 chat. Tanya, her name's Tanya, by the way. I mean, who's the best looking trader on YouTube? Come on, we already know it. I think she's 5'9", Eastern European, so she's right in line with the 6-foot tall Russians. I don't know, Tanja sounds way cooler than Tanya. Like, Tanja sounds like, wow, that's exotic. Tanya just sounds like Tanya. Tanja. Ooh. Oh my God, up there in the 75s. It just won't stop. She's going to the 80s. Oh, she called me Patty. It's our first, it's my pet name. My internet girlfriend, I've never seen her face. We got 5 minutes here. 5 minutes until the numbers come out. What if Tanya, what if it's actually ICT pretending to be a girl? Wow, see? What if all of the YouTubers that talk about ICT are actually ICT? Just making more videos about himself. I'm 5'6". I'm actually 6'1". 6'1". Built fucking solid, boys. Rock solid. Hard. Hard in the paint. Tanja Trades is ICT's niece. Well, I'm his nephew, so I guess we can't date. Or maybe we can. Can you date your cousin? How many cousins removed is it okay to date? 1 removed, 6 removed. How far out does it need to be? 2 removed. Yeah, that's fine. We're good. Bro, chill. Don't worry. I got you. I'll help you out. And by the way, I've never dated my cousins. Relax, everybody in the chat. No offense, you look short in your videos. Miami Queen Mommy Longlegs. Well, Queen Mommy Longlegs, I'll take you and spin you around like a top. 6'1" with a vertical of 6 foot. Do I really look short? No way. Do I really look short in my videos? The fuck? Oh yeah, guy. The guy on that, what's that guy with no neck? Oh, that guy's the best. The 90 Day Fiance or whatever it is, or the, you know, whatever that show is with the guy that's got no neck. Everybody, he's the best. Who's that guy? That guy's the best. The no neck Ed. Oh my God, that guy. I wish I looked like that guy. He got all the girls. Dude, look at this guy. He's my favorite. How does he look like that? Where does his neck go? Look at him. He's so cute. How does he look so cute? We got 2 minutes until the numbers. Look at his girlfriend. He's got a hotter girlfriend than me. I don't even have a girlfriend. This is messed up. Look at him. He's got a ponytail. I think if I look like that, Tanya would definitely date me. Tanja Trades, no neck Ed. It would be a thing on YouTube. No neck fat. I thought about maybe doing a dating series, dating Patrick Wieland. Any ladies in the chat want to sign up for the dating show, just hit me in the DMs. We got a live stream every day on YouTube. I'm 35, young buck, never married, millionaire. I got a boat. I got 2 boats, 3 trucks, 2 houses. Come on. I am a serious catch. I am a serious catch, people. All right, the numbers are out here. We're pulling back into the 50s right there. Straight down to the 900s. Oh, she going straight down, boys. The Jolt's job number is not good. Not good. Somebody did not like those numbers. See how this thing plays out here. They're going to bounce it off this previous level, the 900s again. That was a nasty little dumpskis. Nasty little dump right there. Dollar straight up here. The NASDAQ, the ES straight down, obviously. Right here at the 900s on the NASDAQ. Need to get back above the 20s here to get back above that 14 EMA on the 2-minute chart for the bulls, or this thing's going downtown. All thing designer. Looking dumpy here. There's the dumpy dump. Dollar going straight up. Look at that move down there, wowzers. They pumped it up there just to dump it right on down. Back down to this pivot point, 57s next. Nice little short opportunity there, staying below the VWAP, staying below that 20s. We got back up to a high of 17. This next candle did not get there, so had this little short right there. I think we take out this pivot here next. Try to get down here into the 50s. There's that 50 touch. There's that pivot touch there. See if they'll sell it right through that pivot. Get down there in the low 50s. Run this low down here at the 47 low there. Should dump right through here, through the pivot. There we go, through the pivot now. Got that 47 level down there. That's looking interesting. Drip too hard. Not this way. Get paid. ES trying to take out the lows here. The ES, the NASDAQ, trying to run to this 47 level. I think we're going to get it right here, 47s. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding. Sometimes. Sometimes, people. There we go, through the 47s. Little baby, drip too hard. Wow, if we reverse up here now, I'll laugh. I'll laugh. I'm gonna laugh. Patrick Wieland, how the fuck does he do it? ICT who? ICT these, you know what? I can't believe that Mr. Beast has a candy bar that's literally called D's Nuts. Like literally sells a candy bar in 7-Eleven for kids, and the name of the candy bar is literally D's Nuts. D-E-E-Z Nuts. Like how is that? How is that possible? I don't get it. I don't even, like, I just feel like that's gotta be that's a little weird. You're selling like chocolate candy bars to kids, and the name of the candy bar is D's Nuts. It's crazy. Like if you're a parent and like your kid's at the candy store, and he's like, Mommy, I really want this candy bar. I want these nuts, Mom, can you I want to buy D's Nuts. Like the kid's yelling across the store, Mommy, I want D's Nuts. Be a little interesting. What a beautiful move here through the 40s. Down there at 35s now. Fuck, this thing was a ripper to the downside. About a 120 point move so far to the downside there. Congratulations if you got short there at the top. What a time to be alive. We got that wash right through the pivot point there. That played out nicely. The next level down here is 733s pivot point wise. We got Monday's low there at the 26s. So, man, this thing is dangerous right now. Look at the book map right now, just going absolutely nuts. These nuts. I'm gonna get fucking flagged on YouTube. Mr. Beast is selling a candy bar to kids called D's Nuts, and if I say it on YouTube, I get flagged. How does that work? It's not fair. Ow! Still going lower, still dumpy. Look at it. Can't stop, won't stop. Through Monday's low now. Talk about a reversal. Talk about a reversal. It's kind of a dangerous area right here, just in case they're going to bounce it off of Monday's low. You got to really, you need a pullback here. You could get short there, but after 100 points straight down, I like to get, you know, we need a little kind of pushback up here for a short. I like to see kind of like get retested up into this level one more time. Definitely not going to chase, you know, 100 point move to the downside there. Unless you're crazy. Maybe you're crazy. If you're fucking crazy, you're crazy. And the market is literally just puking right now. But let's be a little careful getting short here. Look at the dollar right now. Ran to that pivot point of the dollar. Dollar pulling back here. I don't know. This always backfires on me trying to get short at the bottom. Every time I get short at the bottom, I get blown up. So I'd rather avoid that, you know. The goal in life is to avoid the blow ups. I mean, what did I say? You know, are you really gonna short at the 25s and then get stopped out at 45? No, thank you. No, thank you. I'd like to avoid that. That is not how you make money. You can see the dollar pulling back there nicely. So just give it some time to play out here. No reason to do anything stupid. Little pushback up, never hurt nobody. You get a better short opportunity anyway. I mean, I 100% have blown accounts shorting at the bottom. I'll admit it all day. So I've learned my lesson. You know, I've learned my fucking lesson. Thank you. Try to avoid that. You know, I found one thing that really helps me, if you're wondering, kind of like what my thought process is when it comes to waiting for a pullback. Like one thing that I really like to see is I like to see like a pushback up into that 14 EMA at least. You know, hit that 14 EMA, like maybe we don't get right there, but it's okay, you know? Well, at least we hit the pivot point. We hit my little yellow circle. So, dollar straight down here. So hopefully, if anything, I helped you not get short at the bottom down there. The dollar really just gave up a lot, that whole move after the jobs numbers, so. It's a little interesting. Why to give up so, look at this thing right now. Oh my God. This is danger, danger, danger. Danger, Will Robinson, danger. Look at the book map right now. Good way to fucking get a face ripper. I mean, it is all over the place. You're just rolling dice at this point. So be careful, my friends. Oh, yeah, I feel like it's a trap. Something's happening here. What is that? Why is the dollar dumped so much there? I don't like how the dollar, look at the dollar. It's just like literally just down. Just gave up that whole move there. What are they doing? Obviously, we're looking for, you know, the dollar to show strength and the NASDAQ to show weakness, but the fact that the dollar gave up that entire move after the jobs numbers, something ain't adding up. Something ain't adding up here. They're still going lower. We hit my little yellow circle. Fuck. When the dollar is down, the market goes up. I mean, it's not my theory. That's like the whole entire market's theory. When the dollar shows strength, you can see now the dollar pushing back up there. So the NASDAQ selling through the lows there. Tanja trade took my short. Congratulations. I called it out live on YouTube. I help other YouTubers make money. Which model do I trade? I don't trade no fucking models. I'm Patrick motherfucking Wieland. This ain't fucking ICT fucking Z-Lot fucking worshiper class. I built my YouTube channel on my own. I didn't fucking steal somebody else's fucking concepts and rebrand them and rename them and all kinds of bullshit. The fucking PW model, baby. #1. I mean, that played out perfectly. Look at that. I just didn't like how the dollar just was like straight down. The NASDAQ was like, kind of looked a little trappy there, but you can see a nice little breakdown. We called that move out. We drew that little yellow fucking circle before the move even happened. So there's your retest, the break to the downside. We're going lower. Got the next pivot point on the NASDAQ down there at the 731s. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. We got 600 likes here on the stream. Can we go for just a little bit more? Just a little bit more. Man. Ugh. I did exactly what we said I was not going to try to do on Saturday. This was that setup. If this thing would have just tapped that fucking 14 EMA, I really... it was right there. Gotta take him, Patrick. YOLO. So... I'm sitting pretty on the day right now, so I'm not that worried about it, but that was definitely a move that we were looking for. I wish trading was easier, to be honest. Trading would be so much nicer if it was easier. You know? If it could just be a little easier. It'd be a lot easier. Trading would be a lot easier if it was just a little easier. On the 1 minute, it hit the fucking chart. Yeah, fuck, it did. You're right. You right. You right. It hit it on the 1 minute. Yeah, you can see here on the 1 minute, tapped it perfectly. Is what it is. That would have been the setup right there, my friends. Ugh. Ugh. YOLO. There'll be more setups. That's the best part about it. We just keep on doing our thing. That's all we got to do. Yes, I know. Jordan, I call new lows of the week. What do I win? You win you're banned for life. Oh, that's got him. Oh, fuck. God, he's gonna be so pissed. Oh, that poor guy. I feel bad. Damn. That poor guy. He's like, oh! He's probably gonna email Topstep and tell him how bad of a person I am. Or maybe make a complaint with YouTube, or maybe go on Twitter and post about it. I don't know. That was pretty funny, though. Gotta laugh sometimes. It's funny. Trading is, you gotta make it funny at least. I called the lows. What do I get? Well, I got a surprise. I got a surprise for you. Oh, God. Congratulations. You win. I don't know. It's just like, it's just like, what do you want from me? You called the lows, like you, and there's like 5 million different people in the chat calling different levels. Like, congratulations. I'm freaking time. Tell us about the boat. How fast is it? It's probably like 64 miles an hour. 64, 65, 36 foot. I mean, pretty fast for 36 foot. It'd probably be a little faster, but it's not really a race boat. It's more of a fishing boat. Very rarely are you going to go 60 plus miles an hour. 36 feet. It's got 3 motors, 300 Yamahas. Where I get this Topstep shirt? Topstep.com. Link in the bio. I don't know. They sent it to me. I also wake surf. I have a wake surfing boat as well. I got 2 boats. 2 boats, 3 trucks. Hopefully, I'm going to get my new truck, my F-250 back one day. It's been at the shop for like for 2 or 3 weeks now, getting lifted. So 40-inch tires, 10-inch lift kit. I got to compensate 3 times. People say that guys with big trucks are compensating. Well, what about the guys that have 3 big trucks? What are they doing? It's like, do I cancel out the compensation? Because now I just, now it's like I got 3 of them. So like, you got 3, it cancels out the issues. I know a guy in St. Pete selling a 48 footer. What the fuck I want a 48 footer for? What kind of brand is it? 48 foot. What the fuck is that? Who even makes a 48 foot fishing boat? I don't want that. Sounds like a shit box. Sounds like a shit box. We got that pivot point down there at the 732s sitting down there. We got stuck right here at the 800s. We break this low here. We move on down one more time. That next leg down here. Got a pivot point on the ES at the 65s. I save my winning. Well, congratulations. I win more than I can save, so. Do I like shark meat? No. What? You drive an Edge and you bang hotties. I highly doubt that. You have a what is that, FSU in your chat, in your description, or your username. You're not banging nothing. He's bragging about that he has an Edge and he bangs hotties. Cool, bro. Good story. I believe you. Clearly, I believe you. Patrick has 3 trucks and he's a loser, and I have an Edge and I bang hotties and I save my money. Cool story. Like Ford Edge. I hear new things. I hear new things every day. I have a Ford Edge and I save my money and I still bang hotties. Wow. Congratulations. The fuck? No, I think he was serious. I think he was serious. I don't know why people like, I don't know. I get, hey, if you, I enjoy big trucks, boat, you know, like I don't buy stuff because I'm like trying to bang hotties with those things. I buy them because I enjoy them. You know, is one of the benefits that maybe I attract a female of the opposite sex? Sure. You know, but like, it is what it is, you know? So we held that low for now. See if we get a little pushback up here. The dollar looking pretty choppy over there. They're holding that previous week low on the ES right now. They're at the what was that, 76s. He bangs Ford Edges and drives hotties. Well, you know, whatever. Do I like sailing? No, I don't like I like it, but I don't really do it. I've sailed before, sure. Dollar starting to try to push back up here. Is this the third attempt to break through this level, get down to that pivot point? We gonna take out this low here or what? Looking pretty bear flaggy here. I think through the 70s, we move down there, 40s or lower, so. Got to get through that 70 level there on the book map right now, popping it up there again, so. Stuck, pretty much stuck between that 800 and 70 level through the 70s. The low on those candles earlier, 70, 75. So take out that low there. We should Move on down. Here we go. They're gonna run that 70 stop. You know, everyone's got their stops at 70s. There she goes through 66s. When you're rich like this, is Quant Tower not working now? Am I drunk? Anybody on Quant Tower having issues? I'm having issues on Quant Tower now. Rhythmic's down, Ninja's acting up. Oh God. Quant Tower not working, Quant Tower no problems. You gotta love trading. When you're rich like this, you don't check the forecast. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your mama cry. I love Holly Joppy Dabba Dabba Die. I listen to Little Baby, bro. Little Baby, Little Pump. Little baby. Ooh. Never meant to make your mama cry. I love Holly Jolly Do and Die. Yeah, I just got no data on Tradeovate now. I mean on Quant Tower now. So probably for the best, since the market's now chopping around here at the 80 to 800 level. So probably for the best. Saved me there. I don't know. Quant Tower does not work for me. Let me see if I can restart it. Never meant to make your mama die. I like Holly Jolly Do and Die. Ryan Vale, are you giving out targets in the chat? Banned for life. If you want to give out targets in the chat, I would like you to start your own YouTube channel. Thank you. Market Maker IQ. Okay, perfect. Start your own YouTube channel. No problem. Like, why? I don't understand why so many people come into my chat to give advice when they can start their own YouTube channel and never be anybody. That's the best part about it. But I wrote in the chat that the market was gonna go up. Well, I mean, Sage works with me. We're a team. By the way, if you guys have not heard, we now have a lot of stuff going on with the Market Flow Trader community. Just a little update here for you guys. Right now, we got over 1,200 members. We got a lot of stuff going on. We got all kinds of fun stuff. It's still $500 to sign up. You get 1 month free in the Sage's chat room. Trying to see where the link is here. So Sage is live right now on YouTube as well. So he's breaking down moves, talking about the ES. This is included in the first $500 for the first month. And yeah, that's live. He's live basically like every day from like 8 o'clock till I think like 5 o'clock. So if you guys want to check that out, that's included with the Market Flow Trader community. You can see some of the members this morning doing some trading. Nick right here locking in 4,000. Love to see it. Love to see it. I'm gonna save that image right there. Put it on the Twitters. Put it on the Twitters here. Put some stuff up there. What else we got? Who else is posting up stuff? Got Ryan Vale here. Huge winner. Love to see it. Love to see it. So yeah, the Market Flow Trader community, it's $500 to sign up. That includes basically all of the basics, going through the course, everything. Talks about futures. We got the funding blueprint as well with learning. I don't even have that. I can't even see my own course, but yeah, it goes through a bunch of different videos talking about stop losses. I mean, everything top to bottom. There's over, I don't even know how many videos there actually is anymore because we've got so many. We're adding new stuff all the time. And yeah, so if you guys want to learn more, it's a link down below to sign up today. Like I said, you get the 1 month of the Market Flow Trader community live stream, and then you can try that afterwards. So that's it. I think I'm done for the day. I can't even trade because Quant Tower has decided that it doesn't want to give me data. It just lost data. I've reconnected like 5 times and still can't trade it. Why is it $500? Why is it so cheap? Just because I kind of just wanted to make it as a fuck you to all the other people out there that are got communities and stuff that are like thousands of dollars. Yeah, I could probably charge a lot more money, but it's more fun to offer a good value, a good deal, and sell it at 500. So kind of chopping around down here. I still got no fucking data. What is going on? That was a nice little trap up there. We trapped above the 800s and then right back down. So this is looking like she wants that pivot point down there now. This is a perfect example of waiting for that trap set up there. We basically broke above these highs right there. We trapped and then dump everybody that bought this long right here is now getting stopped out. If this thing breaks through the 70s, it's just going to go straight down there. So really a good example of waiting for that trap setup there. We've talked about before a few times, different trap ideas, but overall momentum still here. Momentum still bearish on the day right now. If you look at the bigger time frames, 15-minute chart, stuff like that. So if you can find these little traps on the smaller time frames, it's kind of gold in terms of getting an entry, right? So I think I'm done. I can't trade. Not much I can do. So I don't want to sit here and get FOMO and then end up jumping in at the bottom now. Look at this thing. It's gonna fucking just waterfall to the downside now. God damn it. God damn it. Are they gonna know? Are they gonna chop back up here? Maybe it's a good thing I can't trade. Missing out on this chop here again. Kind of interested to see if it's gonna get through the 60 level. Been holding right there. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'll come back in a second and see if it got through there, the low. Did it go? Did it go? Nope. So the problem right now, I think, is you've got the dollar kind of holding on over there, keeping the NASDAQ alive here. I think NASDAQ wants to go. It's being stubborn here, going sideways for the last 30 minutes or so. It should work its way down here, though, to this pivot. I'd be very surprised if they just reverse it off of this level right here, but sometimes it happens like that. The ticker dollar is DXY on TradingView. DXY. So overall this morning we had a nice move up. We had a big move down, and now we're stuck here at this level. Every time frame is still looking very bearish here. It might just take some time to kind of work its way down there to that pivot, but I mean, I don't really see anything. I don't know. I don't really see any reason to bounce here. Other than this previous resistance right there, but obviously not financial advice. But there it is. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Wild Wednesdays. I still have no data, so I can't trade anyway. I'll be back tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays. We'll do it all over again. We focus on that, 9 o'clock till 11 o'clock time. We make the money, we walk away, we enjoy our lives. So there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays. All right. Peace to the Middle East. If you guys haven't hit that like button already, subscribe button, you know what to do. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.